So today I will be unboxing Scene Stealer version 2 Slogan. This is the first ever fansite good I've laid my eyes on, but I haven't bought it until like now because Min has in stocks and yay! Okay, so first of all, let's just take a look at the slogan because it is gorgeous. Okay, upside down, but yes, this is gorgeous. And then here's the back. This is a reflective slogan, and then it's just so cute, and it's my favorite color, so this is like the best slogan I've ever bought. Okay, anyways, other than the slogan, we have a fan, which is so cute, Jimin, and like little stuff here. Yeah. And then we have a poster of Jimin, which is so lovely because Jimin is lovely, duh. And then we have some stickers. Oh, we have a sticker set, some postcards, and a stack of photocards. Okay, so let me just open the fan art sticker sets first. Oh, it's here. And here we have, looks like it's a lot of fan. We have 3 fan art of this really cute Jimin in a bath. Then we have 2 Electromagnetic stickers, and then we have this small Jimin. Yep. So these 3, and then we have this postcard set. It's Jimin stickers with this kind, and so we have a hot and a cute kind, I guess. Yep. And then we have some postcards. So blur, so hot. So cute. Okay, so these 3, and here we have a stack of photocards, literally like a whole stack. Quality is so good, and it looks so nice. Haha. Haha, reasons why I like Scene Stealer. Oh, so cute. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, my heart hurts too, man. Okay, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Wow, just stare at it. Okay, then the other stack. Oh my god. Small Jimin. Then we have shy Jimin. Then we have angry Jimin. I have no space to put my photocards. Cutie pie Jimin. Childish Jimin. Bored Jimin. Oh my god, the best photo Jimin. And then a very lovely one, another cute one, and haha, so many photo cards. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, let's just stare at the slogan again, yeah. This is still the best of everything. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the giveaway, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.